All right, we're going to talk about the F drive and the S drive. The S drive is what Fogo currently stores for us and is what everything should be migrated into and used. The F drive is the old things. So you should see some icons down here below. This pulls up your PC, and then as you can see over here, there's the F drive and the S drive. In the S drive, every provider at Jug currently has a directory under doctor documents. Each one is particular to you. You're the only one who can read and write in your directory. For example, I try to open up ALH, I cannot. I try to open up TGL, I can. Use this to store everything that you personally need for Jug on the S drive. So you can actually move things over from the F to the S drive, and I'll show you that here in a minute. For example, let's say I want to move over, I'll make this a little bit bigger. So let's just say, I don't know, I want to move over from the F drive. I have doctor's surgery. I want this directory. So I can, just like anything else in Windows, I can open up in a new window and choose the files that I want and copy them over to the S drive, which again is over here. I can open up this also. So now I actually have 3 windows, and they should be labeled appropriately. This is TGL and S drive, and then this is another TGL thing in F drive. And let's say I just want this whole directory. I'm going to make a copy of this. Copy. It's very important that you copy and paste. Don't paste a shortcut. That will keep everything on F and just refer to it from S to F. You actually need to make a copy. So now whatever this directory is copied over here. And I can access it anytime I want on the S drive. All right, so now if I open it back up, you should be able to see it under this document, Doctor Documents, TGL, and this directory. So you may notice that that's a little bit cumbersome to do, so why don't we just add a shortcut to the desktop so you don't have to do all this clicking? And that's simple enough to do. So for example, I will just make a shortcut. Let's see. I can either pin it to start, and then it'll actually just show up over here, which is another way to do it. Actually, it'll be. I might not have the ability to do that, but we're going to create a shortcut, and we're just going to put that over here, and just click OK. So now when I click over here, everything in my directory is right over here. All right, and I copied in my old stuff under. I just moved that directory and I renamed it F drive under my S doctor's document TGL, and then this TGL thing was the other thing that I put over here. I copied over from the F drive just now. If I wanted to, I can make a separate shortcut of this. I can have as many shortcuts as I want. I can make a shortcut here, and I'll move this over here. It's named the same thing, but you get the drift. So basically I can have, or I can even put files if I wanted to, let's see, create a shortcut of this for whatever reason. There. I don't actually need that, so I'm going to get rid of that shortcut. Getting rid of the shortcut does not actually remove the files. Yeah, we're going to get rid of the shortcut, but the file is still there. And as you can see, you have Word, Outlook, Excel. And if you click over here on the Windows, you can actually pull up all the different applications. It should have either has or will be getting PowerPoint. Let's see. PowerPoint right over there. Escape out of that. And that's pretty much how you navigate on the Fogo server with the S drive. And just like before, so I actually have my handouts directory right here. And if I want something, since I set a printer, I'm just going to right click and print, and it will load up, print, should load up, print and exit. Now everything is printed from this from that document over to the printer that I already set, which I do every morning over at Cape May Courthouse. And that's basically how you manage documents, moving them from the F drive to the S drive, or at least copying them from the F drive to the S drive, only using S from here on in, putting shortcuts onto your desktop, as well as, again, just kind of reviewing an easy way to print directly from these files.